Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up newbie share on your SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV. So firstly, open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data and location services. Then find newbie share, click and hold on it. Enable it. Here you can change your device name, you can change device visibility mode, for example, for contacts only or for everyone. You can change data usage mode, Wi-Fi only, Bluetooth only, or data only. Or data includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes, so not data only. And that's all. Now you can receive and send data using newbie share on your SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.